Schmaco is an ISO 9001-2015 certified manufacturing company in Malaysia, specializing in the production of automotive rubber parts, mainly for replacement market. Schmaco has its own manufacturing experience since 1985, producing high-quality products. We in Schmaco believe in providing our customers with the best possible products by incorporating quality, technology, and innovation into all that we do. We aim to go further so that you can too. Our production quality always meets all the industry international standards and specifications. Each step from receiving the raw materials to final delivery is closely monitored in adherence to our strict quality policies. We constantly upgrade and improve the efficiency in our production methods, as well as raising the standards of our wide range of products. We are always committed to maintaining a high standard of excellence in all that we do. Total quality control enables us to minimize faulty parts breakdown and reinforces our brand as a reliable and trusted source in the rubber automotive parts market. We manufacture an extensive range of rubber products for various applications for the Japanese and Korean vehicle industry, covering passenger cars, SUVs, four-wheel drives, and trucks. Schmaco is an established brand that has been leading the way in the Malaysian automotive replacement industry, and that has earned us the highly coveted status of REM, Replacement Equipment Manufacturer. Currently, Schmaco supplies undercarriage rubber products that include engine mounting, absorber mounting, control arm bushing, stabilizer bar bushers, spring bumper, CV boots, steering rack boot, center bearing cushion, lower arm chassis, and more. At present, we export 60% of our products to over 40 countries. Schmaco has extended its business in the local market in 2013. As of now, we have supplied to more than 900 dealers nationwide. The company will continue to strengthen our brand image and positioning. We constantly promote Malaysian-made rubber products and bring quality rubber products to the world. This honor has greatly enabled our company to expand rapidly into the international market as a trusted exporter of high-quality auto parts. We innovate. We pursue further distance. We are